How the taste?
I think.
What's the taste of orange?
Orange.
Mm.
Oh, it's orange, not the orange.
What's the taste of orange?
The orange.
Yummy? Mm. Bite mo, bite. Bite mo. Yummy? Drink ang coffee. That is not coffee, that is chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
Hot chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
Yes. Is it yummy?
Chocolate.
You drink your milk. Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
Yes. Drink. Drink mo yung chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
Yeah. You use your spoon. Is it yummy? Wow. Kuya Jacob, what are you eating?
I'm eating orange.
Orange?
Yeah.
What's the taste of orange?
Me. Copy. Copy.
Drink orange juice.
Yummy. What's the taste of orange?
Yummy.
Yummy. You're only eating the the juice, but you're not eating the Di mo kinakain yung laman. Kami po ay nag-aalmusal. What's the taste of orange? What will you say? What's the taste of orange?
Yummy.
Yummy.
Chocolate.
Coffee? Ay, coffee?
Coffee.
That is chocolate milk.
Chocolate.
Wow. What's the taste? What's the taste of chocolate milk?
Milk.
What's the taste of orange?
Yummy.
Nami?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't drink your chocolate milk pa, oh.
That's thing that you use the spoon.
No, it's not hot anymore. You can drink it na.
Me. And I'm me. Copy chocolate.
It's orange.
Ito daw siya ng orange. Ay, Jacob, lumabas na yung sabaw niya. Hindi niya kinakain yung
What
laman yung
this?
juice lang.
Me.
No.
I want juice. Like this.
Oh, later I make you juice.
Chocolate.
Later I make you a fruit shake. Want fruit shake, apple with banana?
Yeah.
Okay, later. Yummy, matcha? Sarap? Masarap. Sabi mo,
Yeah.
masarap. Ang chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk. Let's eat. Hot or cold?
That is already cold. Malamig na yan. Sabi mo, malamig na po.
No. Walang nalamig. The kuka. Why is that going in English?
James Macho, are you finished? You eat your orange, oh?
Ako.
Nagut ka. Di mo kinain yung orange mo. Eat mo na. What's the taste? Maasim? Matamis? Bite mo, bite. Bite mo na. Bye. Teka na. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Teka na, Macho. Aji ko.
Bye-bye.